There have been a lot of headlines recently about international students in the US losing their F1 student visas, with at least 38 reported in Colorado. It could be a little confusing, so I spoke with an immigration attorney based in Colorado to break it down. A visa is like a ticket, and without one, these students won't be able to re-enter the US. But not having a visa doesn't mean you necessarily have to leave the country right away. However, if a student's F1 status is canceled, then they are no longer legally allowed to be in the country. This is what happened to more than 1,000 international students last month when the government terminated their SEVIS records. SEVIS is the system that keeps track of student visa statuses. Usually, a university will terminate a record if a student fails to meet some requirements of their status. It's very unusual for the government to terminate these records, especially so many at once. The immigration attorney I spoke to said many of his clients had their records terminated because of minor traffic violations from several years ago. He encouraged his clients to stay in the country because he didn't expect these terminations to hold up in federal court. The government faced dozens of lawsuits from students who had lost their statuses, and ICE has since reinstated many of the records they terminated. The attorney I spoke to doesn't think that ICE will stop terminating SEVIS records. The panic and confusion of these cancellations led some of his clients to self-deport. Self-deportation is a really easy way for ICE to remove people from the country because they do it themselves. He thinks we'll see more of these terminations, but they'll be more precise so as to avoid widespread backlash.